how to transfer from MetaMask to Binance. Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial. In this video you would learn how you can transfer from your MetaMask to Binance. So if you are wondering how to do so, just watch this video to the end. The first step is to launch your MetaMask extension, just like I have done here. And then after launching your MetaMask extension, you'll be brought to the page automatically, where you can see some options such as portfolio, bridge, swap, send, buy, and sell. And then the next thing is to click on send. All right, so just go ahead and click on send, like I will do now. So after clicking on send, you can see a box being displayed asking you to enter in the wallet address of the coin that you would like to send. So once you can do that, move to the top part of the screen, click on your plus icon, and then log in into your Binance page, binance.com or not, and then click on Binance cryptocurrency exchange for Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. Then after clicking on it, wait for the Binance page to load. So once that's loaded, you can see the Binance page. And so once you have seen this, move to the top right corner and then click on login. All right, and then you can decide to just continue with Google, or you can decide to enter in your email address in here in order for you to log in into your Binance account, because without logging in you cannot get the wallet address that you would copy in order to transfer your coins to. So after entering your email, you'll be asked to verify. So ensure you carry out this verification process so that you can log in into your Binance account. So after carrying out the verification process and then you're logged in, just go ahead and move to your wallet. All right, go to your wallet, and then once you're in your wallet, search for Ethereum and click deposit. All right, so after clicking deposit, you will see the wallet address for your Ethereum. So just go ahead and copy it. After copying it, come back to your MetaMask extension, and then once you're here in the search box, just left click and then paste the wallet address that you have copied. And then once that is done, after pasting it, you'll be taken to the next page, or where you would see the field asking you to enter the amount of Ethereum you want to transfer. So enter it in, click on next, and then review your transaction summary, ensure the details are correct, and then wait for the transaction to be complete. And then once it is completed, your Ethereum will be transferred from your MetaMask account into your Binance account. You can see how cool it is, right? So ensure you try it as soon as you can. Thanks for watching and have a good day.